In this lesson, I will explain to you enumerate function, how it works in Python. So here I have set some example. My first example is color underscore types, which is initialized by a list. And in list, we have 5 different colors. If you want to print the list, simple is just write down print and in parentheses color underscore types, it will print all the colors. But if you do not want to print any item, any color, suppose here I do not want to print yellow, then you have to use the enumerate function. But here I have made another type of coding and then we will move on to the enumerate. So you have to use the for statement for I is the arbitrary variable. You can write down any variable here in range and in parenthesis 0. Why 0? Because index always starts with 0, 0, 1, 2 and so on. 0 comma length function, and in parenthesis you have to write down the color types. If I is not 1, why 1? Because I said I do not want yellow, so please do not say green is 1, it is green is 0, 0, 1. And then print color underscore type in a square bracket, you have to write down I. When I will run it, you will see all the colors are here except yellow. But see, this is a little bit tedious. Here you have to write down from where it should start. Mean this is the 0 index and you have to use the length function. I will show you the very simple way of writing the same type of coding by using the enumerate function. So I have here same variable for index, because this is related to index. That is why I have used this word index here. This is the arbitrary variable. You can write down any name, but keep in mind that this variable and this name should be valid, means there should be some kind of relation. And item in, after in you have to write down enumerate, in parentheses write down the variable name. There is no need to write down the index 0 or the length function, only the variable name, and all the things are same. If index is not 1, print item. When I will run, you will see same output. I will show you the first one. We have the same output, but in enumerate it is much more easy. Right here I have made another example, mix underscore items, only to show you that in list you can write down any type of data type. So see, these are strings, this is integer, this is float. And for xyz, I used xyz. You can write down any valid variable, arbitrary variable name, item in enumerate. And when I will run it, this time I do not want 2. So what is 2? 0, 1, 2, orange. When I will print, you will see all items are here except orange. So now you can try for integer, you can try for float data type. This is your practice. I hope it is clear. See you in the next lesson and thank you.